The main use of this device would be to use it as a writing device. So to do that, we're going to first put it together. You will match up the holes, get a hex head screw, and insert it through the holes. Once it's through there, you will get a wing nut to screw onto the end to hold it in place. And then you are ready to insert your writing utensil. Once it's in there, you can tighten your nut to make this part tighter on the writing utensil. Once it's tight and in place, you just slide this onto your hand, and you can either write just like this, or you can place your index finger over the top of the pencil to hold it a little steadier, and you just proceed to write. So you don't have to use your hand to hold on to the pencil at all. This can also be used for other utensils or any other devices that you might use throughout the day, and I will demonstrate how those can be used as well. You will unscrew this and take this side part off. And then to use, say, a fork or a toothbrush or even a razor with it, you will need 2 zip ties. And these zip ties will insert into the side holes here. And then for a fork, you can just lay it right there and secure your zip ties. This again can be done with a toothbrush, with a razor, anything that you might need help with gripping. And then you would proceed to cut these ends off, slide it onto your hand, and then you can use your fork without having to hold on to it. And that is how you would use our device.